Hello viewers, welcome back to this channel for mathematics. And today too, we are here for a special thing that we have a new topic here: word problem in fractions. Word problem in fractions. So let us go through it. We're having a question here that we're going to solve together. That we have Kofi spent 2/5 of his pocket money on snacks and 1/3, that is 1/3 of the remaining on transport. What fraction of his money is left? What fraction of his money is left? So these kind of questions, they are somehow tricky. That is why we call them word problems. Word problems in fractions. Today we are dealing with in fractions. We will do further things in word problems that we can all go through. So solution: Kofi spent 2/5 of his pocket money on snacks. So fraction spent on snacks. So fraction on snacks. So the fraction Kofi spent on snacks is 2/5. That is 2/5, right? So, and the question is also saying that 1/3 of the remaining on transport. How do we get the remaining? So we subtract from the total fraction to get the remaining. So whenever you want a remaining of something, then it means there might be a deduction or something like that. So total fraction is always equal to 1. Is always equal to 1. That is 100%, right? 100% is 100/100, which gives us 1. So the total fraction is always 1. So if you want the remaining fraction, then remaining fraction is equal to 1, which is the total fraction, minus the fraction he spent, 2/5. Then we finally get our remaining fraction to be equal to 3/5. 3/5. So 1 minus 2/5 gives us 3/5. That is, you can transform 1 into 5/5, right? It's the same one. So that they become like fractions, the same denominator. So you choose 1 and subtract the numerators. So 3/5. So here is the remaining fraction that you are going to work with. So we are saying that 1/3 of the remaining is on transport. So the fraction on transport, is equal to 1/3 of this remaining, that is 3/5. 3/5. And we know that of in board mass is times, right? So 1/3 times 3/5 gives us 3/15. 3/15. And 3/15 can be simplified further to get 1/5. 1/5. So we are having the fraction on transport to be 1/5. So we are saying that what fraction of his money is left? What fraction of his money is left? So the remaining fraction was, after spending on snacks, was 3/5. And now we have spent 1/3 of the 3/5, right? So we are going to subtract the fraction on transport from the remaining fraction over here. Then we get the final fraction that is remaining. So let us do that. So fraction left is equal to, so remaining fraction here is 3/5 minus the fraction on transport, which is the final fraction here. And we finally get 2/5. 2/5. So thank you for watching, viewers. Make sure you come here always to watch. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye. Alright viewers, thank you very much. Please subscribe for more videos from this channel. Bye.